Hello, guys. Welcome to Daily Current Affairs series. Today we will discuss 3rd February current affairs. Myself, Sunny Sandeep. Welcome to our channel, Gear Up for Group 1 exam. Let us discuss the today's important current affairs. The first one, Amazon wins relief as High Court stays future Reliance deal. Here, first of all, we have to see from 2019. There is a tussle between Amazon and Future Group. A look at the case between Amazon and Future Group, that is from 2019. Amazon acquires a stake in Future Coupons in a deal that e-commerce firm says included a first right of refusal in any stake sale in Future Retail. After August 2020, Future Group announces it has agreed to sell businesses including its retail and wholesale operations to Reliance Retail arm. Amazon seeks legal course. Here, in this case, three parties are involved. In simpler words, I will tell. First one, Amazon. Second one, Future Group. And third one, Reliance. First of all, there is a deal between Amazon and Future Group, that is first right of refusal in any stake sale in a Future Retail. That is between Amazon and Future Group. In 2020 August, it is that Future Group is selling their all business or retail and as well as wholesale business to the Reliance. Future to Reliance. Then Amazon went to the legal recourse. In October 2020, there is a international arbitration court, that is the Singapore International Arbitration Center, stays the Future and Reliance deal. Why? Because there is a previous deal between Amazon and this Future Group. Future Group moves court to the prevent the Amazon from blocking the deal. Here again, this Future Group went to the court to prevent Amazon from blocking the deal. Here now, the if you see the decision or decision given by this Delhi High Court on Tuesday provided interim relief, that means temporary relief to e-commerce major Amazon by directing Future Limited FRL to maintain status quo with the regard to transfer of its retail assets to the Reliance Retail, that is to previous stage. So that is, there is a deal between Amazon and Reliance, then it should be go to the status quo. That means it should go to the back or previous stage. That is about Amazon, Future Group and Reliance deal. Next one, social media issues over concern center tells to Supreme Court. Here we are seeing that there are different types of social media issues, like fake issues are related to political issues, or like related to some scams, like that we are seeing. Here, who will take care of this social media issues? Here, concerns about information technology and law relating to social media intermediates fall within the domain of the central government. Here it comes under the domain of central government. Here the Delhi Assembly or that matter any state assembly has no jurisdiction over such issues, the center told to the Supreme Court. Here that means that center told to Supreme Court, no state assembly or Delhi assembly have the power to stop the or no jurisdiction over such social media issues. Next one, uproar in parliament over three formulas. We know that NDP or NDA BJP government has came up with three farmer laws or three farm laws. After that, Punjab and Haryana farmers are doing protest against these farmer laws. Here there are some discussions, but they are unfruitful or unsuccessful. Now there is a discussion went to the both two houses, that is Lok Sabha and Raj Sabha. In those two houses, there is a there is a obstruction or there is a protest from the opposition parties. That's why they are asking for the discussion on these formulas. That is, both the houses of parliament witnessed the multiple disruptions on Tuesday amid vociferous protests by the opposition parties over the three formulas. Even as Rajya Sabha chairman M. Venkaiah Naidu said, the bills had gone through threadbare discussion in the house. Next one, Jal Jeevan Mission to help revive urban water bodies. Here, the mission would include reservation of water bodies to boost the sustainable freshwater supply and creation of green spaces. That is, to boost the urban water bodies. There is a Jal Jeevan Mission. Here, JJM Jal Jeevan Mission Urban will promote circular economy of water through the development of city water balance plan for each city, focusing on recycle, reuse of treated sewage, reservation of water bodies, and water conservation. This is about Jal Jeevan Mission. With this, we can conclude our video. Thanks for watching. Like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Gear up for Group 1 exam. This is Sunny Sandeep signing out. Take care and bye bye.